Happy Ramadan. Today we are going to be making a almond custard milkshake, and here are the ingredients we have set here. So we have 1 liter of 2% milk. You can use whatever milk you want. We have 1 cup of water. We have half a cup of sugar, 30 almonds blended and soaked, and we have 2 tablespoons of custard powder, some chia seeds, and some crushed nuts. So let's get started. Okay, so now we have added our milk into a pot and it's boiling. So now we are going to add our cup of water and our almonds. So we're just going to add it in. Go. Okay, so now we're going to add our almond mixture. There we go. Now we are going to mix it up. So now we're going to add our sugar into our milk now that it has boiled. Just put it all in and mix it up really nicely. After you add in your sugar, you're going to turn on the heat again so that it comes to another boil. And then you're ready for the next step. And our milk has boiled and our sugar has dissolved. We are going to start adding in our custard powder very slowly and mixing it with every addition. And then after, we're going to add our nuts. Nuts are optional, so if you don't want to have them, you don't have to, but it makes it very nice and yummy. So now we'll start adding our custard powder. So now we're going to add our nuts, and then we're going to cook it for a little bit, like 3 minutes. So we'll add a little bit. So now after you cook it for 3 minutes, you kind of want to turn the heat down because you don't want it too thick, and because we're going to be making a drink with it. So you want to keep it as thin as possible with the custard powder in it. And once we have chilled it, after we cook it, we will add the chia seeds that I showed you. So now our drink is all ready, and we will start chilling it now, and after we will add our chia seeds. Now that the milk has chilled nicely, we are going to add some pink syrup and some chia seeds, and we'll also serve it with some ice. So let's add our pink syrup. Now we'll mix it up. The pink syrup is really just to give it some color. Just like this. So here's the finished result. We served it with some ice and some nuts on top. So I am fasting, but when you make it at home, please tell us in the comments how it was. Enjoy!